I'm outside right now and I have no idea where I'm headed. I just went out without eating, without a direction, took a jeepney ride and just sat down. I just wanted to rest. I wanted to give my mind a break. I'm incredibly exhausted from everything. I'm feeling I don't have the strength to fight anymore. I just want to let life's challenges carry me. Now I'm experiencing overwhelming sadness, unmotivated about everything. After getting off the multicab, I just wanted to go somewhere that would relax my mind. So I headed to the river, a place I often visit. I didn't stay long, though, because it was starting to drizzle and I was alone. So I didn't want to risk anything, even when it feels like we're losing hope in life. Let's not forget to prioritize our safety. We should always take care of ourselves because hardships and sadness are temporary. You'll get through this situation. I walked back and took another multicab ride. As I was riding, I saw a young boy waiting by the road to catch a ride to school. I could see the worry and fear in his eyes, but he still went to school alone without his parents to accompany him. It almost made me cry, but I held back because I was in public. He reminded me of my childhood when, despite the difficulties, we would walk through the fields to get to school, morning, noon, and afternoon, back and forth. But we didn't mind the exhaustion because back then we enjoyed it and our goal was to graduate. Now that I've graduated, it feels like something's still missing. We're not happy with what we've achieved. He reminded me how far I've come from the child I used to be, who just dreamed of graduating. At that moment, my worries and disappointment in myself lessened a bit. It hit me that we're often not content with the blessings we have. We get sad because we compare our situations to others, which we shouldn't do. We need to learn to wait and work for what we want. If it's meant to be, it'll come. If not, maybe there's something else in store for us. Sometimes because we're so focused on our routines and goals in life, we get sad for various reasons because we don't see the blessings we have. When we achieve something, we immediately look for more. So when we don't get it right away, we get stressed. Sometimes just go out and observe your surroundings. When you go out and breathe in the air, you'll see people sometimes waiting for a ride or crossing the street or just smiling at you, which can remind you of your blessings and make your day whole again. Sometimes we find inspiration and open our eyes to the outside world. Now I challenge you, if you haven't been going out, try it. Also, when we have problems, let's not air them on social media just to make the problem bigger. We can share to inspire, motivate, and educate people, but not to waste or ruin relationships and other things because of social media. We should have privacy in our lives. Even if we share about our lives, let's choose what we share on social media carefully so it doesn't harm us or others. If you're feeling down and struggling right now, keep it private. Go out, breathe, and observe your surroundings. I want to share these feelings with you to accompany you in that feeling of being alone. You're not alone in your struggles. Many people are going through something, and I'm one of them, but I don't give up. Even when it seems like nothing's happening with what I am doing right now. I know all of this will lead to somewhere as long as you believe in your abilities and trust in the higher power, in the Creator. Even when we lose the strength to stand, we get back up again. I made this video as a reminder for myself. So when I achieve what I want in life, I look back at this video and see how far I've come from where I was. And I'll say to myself, it's good I didn't give up. It's good I keep going. That's what I'll say to my current self who's feeling hopeless. I need to keep fighting because I want to see in the end what my dreams are, what I want to see in the future. And I'm excited to see it. And when I look back at this video, I'll just laugh at these feelings. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.